Международная выставка CLEANEXPO Moscow Пулиры объявляется открытой. The 20th International Exhibition CLEANEXPO Moscow Пулиры is open. Желаем всем успешной и плодотворной работы и приглашаем почетных гостей на осмотр экспозиции.
So as I informed you, right now we're going to present you some more information about the CLEANEXPO here in Moscow, which is taking place right now these days. So behind me you will see the stand of well-known CLEANEXPO. This is the manufacturer from Turkey. These guys are presenting their machine, which is the rock cleaning machine with the centrifuge in the bottom. Sorry. As you may see, it is a very similar machine to that one which we presented in Amsterdam this year. Here below you may see the picture and the link to our video to see our machine. So we just met, these guys met at the exhibition show in Amsterdam, just get acquainted with them. We had a discussion, and this is the result actually. They copied our machine, which is very interesting for us. That means that we are going in the right direction, that this manufacturer is copying us, our company, our ideas. Great. So we're gonna go and see who else is presented here from the manufacturers and get some more information. So this is the second manufacturer from Turkey which is presented here at the exhibition show in Moscow. This is also the manufacturer from Turkey, as I said. This is from the information we got, this is the brother of the owner of the CLEANEXPO. So there are two brothers which are presenting the two main companies from Turkey which are manufacturing machines for rock cleaning. These guys are more popular, and they're developing the design and is presenting some new ideas from our point of view, of course. It is very interesting to see how they are developing, and they are presenting rock cleaning machine with the pre-washing tub. As you may see, there is a wash tub for pre-washing, rock pre-washing, and then we proceed to the main washing. This is nothing new, but we see that they try to implement some new ideas in their machines, which is very good, as we think. So behind me there is an exhibitor. We just thought that this is from Russia, but we found out that this is actually from the Turkey, Euromark. So guys, representative office of this company here in Russia. They've been working only for 1 year, just starting their business here, and what we like most, you guys are very open and share the information about the machines, about the business. So we had a very great conversation with them. As for the machines, you may see the quality, the ideas, the construction of these machines, and which we can show you here in this video. So we leave it for you. You can make your own opinion about the machines. We just want to say that these guys are very open, and we like to communicate with them. This is actually the best actually what we can say about this company, because we don't know them, we don't know this manufacturer, we haven't seen them before, and it is kind of a new player from Turkey which is presented here. So in comparison to the CLEANEXPO and Sofran, very young, so to say, but anyway, they're trying to make a business here. So please welcome a new company. Behind me there is one more exhibitor. This is a company which presents actually as well Turkish machines here in Russia. Guys are working they have rock clean laundry not far from Moscow. Very open guys, and presenting the whole information. Actually we're invited to visit them and to share our experience. So on Friday we're gonna visit them. And we're gonna present after the visit. We're gonna present you some more information about the rock cleaning industry here in Russia, about the machines, about the new ideas which they are implementing here. So we invite you to watch our new videos about the exhibition show and about these guys and rock cleaning laundries here in Russia. For today, this is the end. Actually, we presented you the whole manufacturers which are presented here. So we hope you like it. So please subscribe to our channel. See you later.